Hi guys, this is Michael Alexander with Coinsider. Thanks for coming to another quick charts video. Today's April 21st, about 2 p.m. New York time, and we're going to go over 6 analysts. We have updated information and content. If you haven't seen our demo video, we have a link in the description. Just please follow that. And if you're not familiar with quick charts, we do the research to find the top analysts and bring them in one page for you so it can save you time in research, and hopefully you won't miss that next big move in Bitcoin. So let's go on to the analyst now. First we have our quick chart section, then we're going to go into the prediction reasoning, and then we're going to finally go into the analyst charts. Let's just blow this down a little bit. It's a little bit too big here. Let's see here. Okay, so we have the 6 charts here, and on the left hand side we have the bullish scenarios, which are the 3 analysts that are bullish. On the right we have 3 bearish analysts, and I just want to show you some similarities there are in the charts right now. Since this is just the micro charts or quick charts, we're not going into detail here, just looking at main price points. So it looks like we have down, up, down, up, down, up for the bulls. Price points to look for is 8,000 range, 8250 range, 8,000 range, all similar here. Okay, now let's look at the bear scenarios. We have down, up, down, up, down, up, and of course bear's long-term outlook is down. So of course I put the down section. Here's conditional. If we break the 9200, we probably would be going up from here, and then we would turn bullish. But here there is no specific number, so I didn't put them. So it's just, again, down, up, and all 6 of them have the down, up here. And if you look at the next price points after the down, there is nothing specific here. Here's 9600 range, 9750 range, 10,000 range, and then you have just major ranges here to break is 9200 range. So just look for those similarities. A lot of them have, on the bullish side, the 9700 ranges, and also we have a 10,000 range here for the bears, which is the next major, but their final move is downwards. So that's it for the quick charts. Let's go on to the next one. We have prediction and reasoning now. Let's blow this up here. Okay, so in prediction and reasoning, again, we have we're going to look at 3 bull scenarios, and then we're going to look at 3 bear scenarios. Let's just find again the details which are uncommon, down to 8,000 range, then up, down to 8250 range, and then up, down to 8,000, and then up to 9750. These analysts are all Elliott wave technicians. Let's go into some details here. There's not many conditions. It's just Elliott waves where they see us finishing or at around 9600, 9750. I think Filicone put a number a few days ago in, which is about 9400. Okay, now let's look at the bear scenarios. Tony Vay's updated his chart today. He said that we could have a bounce up to 10,000, and he still believes that we're heading down to 4,900. He overall is still bearish. Real Crypto does want to see a move over 9,200, but he thinks that we're not going to go above 9,200. He thinks that we're going to roll underneath 9,200, and we're going to continue going bearish. And JD Marshall thinks that if we do cross that 9,200, then we are going to go higher. He'll change his view more towards bullish, but if we don't cross that 9,200, we could be going down. So that's it for prediction and reasoning. Please check out more details here, the Analyst social media account. And if you're going to stay with us for candlestick charts, we're going to go now into the Analyst actual chart. If the prediction reasoning was enough for you, then we'll see you tomorrow. Then if you want to go into the actual Analyst chart, then stick with us for the final third part here for a quick charts review. Again, we have Filicone's chart here. He sees us, for one of his scenarios, he sees us finishing here at the 5th and going down above this trend line area here towards around the 8,000 zone. The green box is the landing zone for the retracement. But his second scenario is that we could see a little bit more push up towards this area here. I just put this case scenario. Let's go to his second case scenario. As I mentioned, he sees a push up to 9,200 zone here. and then retracing above this line, which is now support, which used to be resistance, this white trending line. Then we have Heijin Lee, seeing us retracing down to the 8250 zone, and then moving up to complete wave 5 at about 9600. EW in pattern, seeing us completing a fifth wave at around 9750, and then having a deep retracement down to 7500 area before we move back up. This is his longer term count, where we could see 50 and 1000 and then go back down to 4000. It's a much bigger ABC. Tony Vase, again, longer term is going to be bearish, but in the short term we can see a bounce up to 10,000. Real Crypto, again, longer term bearish. He sees us possibly not going over 9200, rolling underneath and then going back down again. And JD Marshall's conditional, if we break 9200, then he's going to be more bullish. If we roll under 9200, then we're going to see a bear scenario. Again, he drew this purple line to show that we want to stay above this purple line here. And that's it for quick charts. We went over three sections. We went over this section here, which is the micro charts. It's just basic price movement of these orange lines, showing the showing what's in common with the bullish and the bearish analysts, common prices for you to look at. Then prediction and reasoning, a little more detail. If you want to jump into this reasoning, you can do so. And then finally finishing with the candle chart. So glad that you came to another day of quick charts. It's April 21st, about 2 p.m. New York time. If you're doing any investing yourself, please consult or do your own research, as all of the opinions of the analysts today and the opinions of CoinSider is just opinions. It's not financial advice. So thanks again for attending today, and we look forward to seeing you tomorrow.